How to upsell using feedback broadcast messages. This is the must have strategy for e-commerce businesses. If you are an e-commerce business owner or a marketer, then do stay till the end. This strategy that we are now implementing for our clients is mind blowing and it is getting some crazy results. So I hope you don't want to miss it. So let's discuss this strategy in detail. Very simple technique but very effective. Okay, so without further ado, let's start the show. My name is Anthony and I'm the founder of Alpha Marketer. We are entering episode number 4 of the Conversational Marketing Show. This is your go-to show to learn how to turn those conversations into conversions and everything that is happening in the conversational marketing industry. Now, I am super pumped for today's episode because this is one strategy that brings instant results, okay? And it is proven again and again. Okay, now before we discuss the strategy, I want you to remember one fundamental principle about WhatsApp. Okay, that WhatsApp is a two-way communication platform. Okay, see, WhatsApp has given its official API and WhatsApp is allowing people to send broadcast, so they don't have any problem with businesses using their platform to broadcast messages. Okay, but they have a condition that you should not spam people. Okay, so their goal is that you should use WhatsApp to start a conversation with your customer or potential buyer. Start a conversation and not spam them with promotional messages. Okay, but then you will say, you know what, hey, I want to sell something, like how will I not do that if I don't make the offer? Okay, you can still make the offer. There is a small twist to the story, so I will tell you exactly how to do it. I have done a separate video about the WhatsApp broadcast feature. It covers in detail about the do's and don'ts of using WhatsApp broadcasting feature. The link will be above in this video or will be in the description. Do check it out, and that video will help you not to get banned by WhatsApp. Okay, people unknowingly use the WhatsApp broadcast feature and they misuse it and they end up getting banned by WhatsApp. I hope you don't want to be in that position. Okay, so now let's go deeper into today's strategy. Okay, so feedback message WhatsApp broadcast. Okay, how do we do this? Okay, so what do? We want to start a conversation. Okay, the best place to start a conversation with your existing customers. Okay, so what we do is, this is a real case study what we are implementing with our clients right now, and we've been doing this for a lot of months right now. So what do? We take the data of the past customers. Assume today we are in November, just for the sake of example. Okay, then I will take the data of people who purchased from the store in the month of September. Okay, I'll upload that to the software platform, the WhatsApp marketing platform. Currently we are using AI Sensei and we also use Zoco. So, and these are amazing tools for sending these broadcast campaigns. I will leave the link of these tools in the description. Do check them out. Okay, so what do? We upload the data of our customers and we know exactly what products they purchased. Okay, so we send a message to them. The message reads something like this: says, hi, customer name, you had purchased, then mention the product name. Okay, so now that you are dealing with the existing customer data, you know exactly what they purchased. Okay, and when you do that, it will look more personalized and people will be relate to the message better. Okay, when you mention their past purchase. Okay, and we say that, can you please share your experience with us? Okay, we would love to hear it from you, and then simply choose the options below, and then they are given 3 buttons. Okay, one is I am very happy, I am satisfied, and I am not satisfied. Now generally when people are presented with buttons, there's a natural behavior that they tend to click on any one of them. Okay, now in this case it's a simple poll, right, whether they're happy or not happy. Now when people click on the 2 buttons, like I am very happy, I am satisfied, which indicates a positive emotion towards a product, right, at that very moment we will configure a chatbot which will automatically instantly reply thanking them for the feedback. You can pay close attention to the image here. The bot will reply with a appreciation for the feedback, and it will subtly make an offer. Okay, so in this case it says that we are celebrating our 4th anniversary and we are having jaw-dropping offers, great discounts, please make use of it. Okay, and then it points them to a link. Okay, if people click on it, they go to an offer page where they can buy those products. Okay, so see, if you look at it, there are two parts of it. The message that we use to reach out to people should start a conversation and should not be giving you offers and discounts. Okay, but when people start a conversation with us, when they reply to our message, in that reply you can do whatever you want. Okay, you can give offers. You can, like WhatsApp gives you full control over what conversation you want to have in the response. Okay, but when it comes to sending them the first, if you initiate the conversation, it should not be promotional, rather it should be conversational. That's the whole idea behind conversational marketing. Okay, most marketers are busy spamming people and broadcasting their message, but very less people are actually willing to have a conversation with their customers. Okay, that's the whole idea behind conversational marketing. Okay, so now we are practicing conversational marketing with WhatsApp. In the future, everything, even your website, will become conversational marketing. Your people are having conversational marketing boards on Instagram, on Facebook Messenger. It's going to be all over the place. Okay, so this is a big change in the mindset as well. Okay, so here are the stats. So this is for a e-commerce beauty client that we implemented this. Now this is from September to November. Okay, so this campaign runs for 2 to 3 days max. We send out in bunches of say 5,000 messages per day, depending on the customer base that we have. And so what happened, we generated 3.25 lakhs extra revenue from WhatsApp reorder campaign. We call it as a reorder campaign because it is going to the existing customers. Okay, now the benefit of this is extra money. Okay, this money was not being added to the client's revenue before, because simply they were not using WhatsApp as a medium. Now that they are using WhatsApp as a medium and using this intelligent broadcast feature, now they are able to generate extra revenue from existing customers, which means their lifetime value of customers is going up. Okay, and the cost of sending these messages is peanuts. Okay, hardly they would have spent like rupees 5,000 for sending these messages, and the returns that they're getting is in 6 figures. Okay, so this is crazy ROI, guys. Okay, when you send a WhatsApp broadcast message in the right manner. Okay, so and you can see the spikes here. So all these spikes are like those 2 days in a month when we send this campaign. After that there is no broadcast message. Okay, so that's how extra revenue is being added every single month. Okay, so imagine if you master this one strategy, you can send every single month. 12 months of the year you can do this and add extra revenue to your business. Super powerful, isn't it? Okay, so great. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you are fascinated by the WhatsApp conversational marketing concept and you want to implement WhatsApp conversational marketing in your business, then simply visit this link alphamarketer.in/chat. Okay, you will be welcomed by my own personal WhatsApp sales bot. It will guide you and educate you about WhatsApp marketing, and it will also guide you to book a meeting with me. Okay, and we can get on a call and discuss the next steps. Same thing applies for people who want to learn WhatsApp conversation marketing. You might be a business owner, you might be an agency owner or a freelancer who wants to add WhatsApp conversational marketing to your portfolio and offer services. If you want to learn from us, also go to the same link alphamarketer.in/chat. My personal WhatsApp chatbot will assist you in enrolling or joining the waitlist of my premium mentorship program. Okay, there's also an alternative way, as it is WhatsApp. Just send a WhatsApp message hi to this number +91 733 884 2395. Okay, I hope you found this video useful, and if you're already using WhatsApp marketing, please implement the strategy and let me know the results in the comments. Okay, and if you have any specific requests or any topic that you want me to cover regarding WhatsApp conversational marketing, do let me know in the comment section. I'll be happy to take that feedback and do a video for you. Okay, so again, so much effort is going into preparing these videos, so please do subscribe to this channel and hit the like button. It will greatly help me reach out to more and more people and help them grow their business with the power of conversational marketing. Thank you so much for your time, and bye bye.